In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable video in Teams. If you're joining a Teams meeting and want to make sure your camera is turned on before entering, the good news is that this is very quick and easy to do. You can usually enable your video right from the meeting lobby, which is the screen you see just before you officially join the call. This is helpful because it lets you check your camera settings in advance, so other participants can see you as soon as you enter the meeting. Start while you are in the meeting lobby. This is the waiting area that appears before you join the meeting itself. On this screen, Teams gives you a chance to review a few basic meeting controls, including your microphone and camera. Taking a moment here can help you avoid joining with the wrong settings. Next, look for the camera toggle. It's located next to the microphone control on the left side of the screen. The camera icon is the setting that controls whether your video is on or off. If your video is currently disabled, select that camera toggle to turn it on. Once it's enabled, you should typically see a preview of your camera feed, which confirms that your video is ready to use. If you don't immediately see yourself, give it a moment for Teams to activate the camera. It can also help to make sure no other app is currently using your webcam, since that can sometimes prevent Teams from displaying video properly. You'll also want to check that your device has given browser or app permission to access the camera, especially if this is your first time using video in Teams on that device. Before joining, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that your appearance, background, and lighting look the way you want. Since you're still in the lobby, this is the perfect time to make any small adjustments without interrupting the meeting. Once your camera is on and your preview looks good, you're ready to continue into the meeting with video enabled. That's all it takes to enable video in Teams. It's a simple setting, but checking it in the lobby can make your meeting start more smoothly and help you feel prepared before you join.